This is Eileen from Shandong YOMI Intelligent Science and Technology Co. Limited. YOMI is specialized in CNC plate, pipe, beam, cutting, drilling, and welding machinery with more than 16 years experience. The headquarters of YOMI is located in Dezhou City, Shandong Province, covering an area of 40,000 square meters with more than 400 employees. We have one overseas warehouse in South Africa, 2 R&D centers in Jinan and Shanghai, 3 brand cutting factories located in Dezhou City. Our machine has been exported to more than 160 countries all over the world. This is our YOMI exhibition hall. YOMI supply chain, YOMI overseas warehouse can supply one-stop service for customers. At first, I will introduce our number 2 workshop. It is pipe plasma cutting machine assembly workshop. Let's go. It can cut round pipe, tube, rectangular pipe. All pipes can cut by our machine. There are so many machines at stock. They are ready for shape. This is our gantry CNC plasma cutting machine workshop. It can equipped with flame and plasma cutting in steel structure equipped with multi-strips. This is the gantry CNC plate drilling machine workshop. It is hot sales in our factory as it is essential in steel structure industries. There are 40 sets sold out per month. Welcome to place order with us. Now we have arrived in our number 4 and number 5 workshop. It is mainly for the steel structure fabricator machinery. Let's go. Following the camera, you will see our H-beam production line. It includes H-beam plasma cutting machine, 3-dimensional CNC drilling machine, CNC marking machine line, and CNC milling machine. It can realize the cutting, beveling, and drilling on this line. They are essential in the steel structure fabricator factories. Now we arrived at number 7 workshop warehouse, number 8 large pipe CNC plasma cutting machine, and number 9 large gantry milling machine centers. Let's go. This is our large pipe CNC plasma cutting machine. It can cut the pipe from 100 to 2,000 meters. It is no problems. It is best sales in the offshore engineering. Okay, let me show you our laser cutting, welding, short blasting, and spring workshop. Let's go. Laser cutting machine can make sure the structure of our machine very smooth and beautiful. This is our large gantry, milling, drilling, and pressing centers. It can make sure each component with high accuracy as each workpiece IT finish code can be retraceable. We can make sure the best quality for the customers. Short blasting machine is very important for processing the structures as it can remove rust and make the machine use durable. After testing and debugging, these machines will be delivered to customers. YOMI has 2 R&D centers in Jinan and Shanghai. This is our research and data center. Now let me show you our office building. Let's go. This is our YOMI office building. Welcome to YOMI. Now I will show you our reception rooms. It's named by 4 seasons of China: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Welcome to visit us. Welcome to see our reception room. Now we arrived at our meeting room. We always had meeting and training communication at this place. YOMI always adhere the concept of do the machine with heart, get the work sight. Welcome to YOMI. Welcome to visit us.